So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, then you're welcome. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to get a bouncing coils. Yes, you heard me right, a very nice bouncing coils. Okay, so let's dive in. First of all, the first thing you do is to section your hair into 4 different parts. Okay, as you can see me, I'm sectioning the hair into 4 different parts. Okay, so the next thing you do is to like open the hair layer by layer. Then you comb very well to free the hair. Okay, this is the size of the tongue I'm using today. Okay, as you can see. Then you roll your hair over the coiler. Okay, very gently, very gently. Then you hold it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes. So it will have that bouncing coils. Hold it very tight. Make the coils very tight. Then after 3 to 5 minutes, then you take out your coiler very gently, very gently. Okay, then you use your bob pin. If you don't have a bob pin, you can use your clip, but I advise you use your clip. Clip is better, but if you don't have clip, you can use your bob pin. Okay, so let's go. And this is the first coils I made. Then you repeat the section over and over again. And mind you, before you start coiling, there's this spray I used on the hair. It's called bouncy. You can use any spray of your choice, but I'm using bouncy. Okay, this is me coiling. Okay guys, please like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscription button. Okay, so let's go, let's continue. So I'm still coiling my hair section by section. As you can see, my hair is well arranged. Okay, so you keep repeating the process over and over again. Okay, so you can see I'm done with the first part, the first layer of the hair. Then I've moved to the second layer. Okay, then I'll repeat everything I did on the first layer on the second layer too. You section your hair very well, and you section it very carefully. Okay, first thing you do, you comb gently. Make sure your hair is very free. Very free. You comb very gently. Okay. Then there's me adding my spray. Then after adding the spray, you comb too. Then there's me using my tongue again. Repeat the process over and over again. Okay, like and share my video and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's continue. And use your bob pin to pin so the coils won't fall down before you finish your coiling. So it's very important to use your bob pin or use your clip. Over again. Okay. Section in the want to coil now. Okay. I repeat the same process, exactly the same process I did on the first, the second, and the third. But I divided here into. And here's the last part. Okay, I'm done coiling my hair. As you can see, it's well sectioned, well placed. Okay, now it's time for me to remove the pin from the hair. And mind you, when removing the pin, you don't rush. Take it very gently. Okay, very gently, so you don't scatter the coils you've made. Here's me removing all the pin. Alright. Then I brought out my wave comb. But if you don't have this kind of comb, you can actually use a rake comb. That comb has a bigger mouth. You get it? If you don't have this wave comb, you can use a rake comb to comb out the coils. Comb out all the coils. Okay, so it will be bouncy. You can see the front. It's giving that luxury look already. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please like and follow. Share my videos too. Okay. Spray I've been using. This is spray I told you about. It's called bouncy. This is spray I'm using. You can use any spray you want actually, but I prefer using this spray because this spray is air friendly. Okay. Then I tried it from because of that spray. So to give you that luxury look when you're done. Okay, I'm done. You can see. Just check out the coils. Check out the coils. You can see. Check out the coils. Very bouncy, right? You love what you see, right? Yes, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button so anytime I post you will see my video. Thanks for watching.